So far, so good. Winter freeze 2026. It's been a big storm, ice everywhere, and I had to make a path to get to my crawl space. I'm concerned. Is my sub pump frozen or not in the crawl space? The reason why I'm concerned of the sub pump going, because I have a softener and neutralizer in the house, and so the sub pump is right behind this wall. The pipe is here, that PVC pipe. It runs out there, and every 3 days or so, the softener pretty much at night does a regen system where it flushes out the water and it goes into my sub pump and it flushes out there. So I don't know. It's been over a week now, and I wonder if I'm gonna have any surprises in here. Let's take a look. Okay, this is what it looks like, and I think so far so good. Let me get up in here. So far so good. We've been having running water, so I guess obviously no leaking pipes. But this is what I want to take a look at, the sub pump. Let's see. Open this up. Oh, and it looks like we're good. It's not frozen, I don't think. Yeah, no, it's running water in there. We're good. So that was actually better than I expected. I was expecting disaster down there. I was expecting the floor to be frozen, maybe some water leaking, and I was expecting the sub pump to be frozen, and it wasn't. I'm a happy man. Thank you guys for watching Peace in Nature. My name is Easy Glaze, and if you got any stories, from the storm, anything that happened, please do share, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, peace.